Mampani obi obrɛ ne ho ase oba ye ahemfo kura ba nanim anu asɔre na ogina ho no no ekyia omo Ghana for ehia se sebe religious and the social leaders no ya did the needed respect them omo eti wo hwa John Dramani Mahama ba ye first in history asanteman e the red carpet na ase form no bia ma no ese sebe omra no me ya asanteman yi na asanteman MPP for ba ya atete apansa mo antimi anye ne yie no oba no aba be ye ne yie ye rotum fo se tutu so epe development ti book no de man no e kire se asanteman hia mpuntuduma enti no 5 interchanges and people e buy am kaza o antimi nye no John Dramani Mahama obrase ni no won de o ma ni sika kakra bi a o ma mewie sika no on fa ne sam sika no kakra bi obenya bi o de be ye mpuntuduma eno na wo hwe Dubai market ni ade nyina no wo boa ma Dubai market otimbe si ye Ratley Park oboa me ye si ye Aswase market oboa me ye si ye that time na business oko banks unya bosia e de ye adwuma enti say no Ghana for ni Ghanaians asanteman en fan show mutirim say emredu say omu president awaba no Obama Ghana for nyina na obeboa ama mpuntudwuma ba na international confidence ani eni e wa Akufo-Addo amambuo mu say international communities ni nyina nya worehemu esa amambuo we de would scam more on the bay juma, would scam more manante benya juma, would scam more betuma bomb expand the economy. That is what exactly we are experiencing now. Now she says here mention here will be at your kind say John Dramani Mahama baby branabe your money ye mine. Now buy a casa crown or home brasinti. Sabi so be crano and no casanes or more home brasia crana. A hiassy be as a seven producer. Obedi do attempt to miss and for BB amount. And to quabre for million quabre for such a Jamasi tabre for Mr. Momunya Arishemu. John Dramani Mahama baba ya santima ye Ghana mayi mrantie benya adwuma ye sika be bank ofo botom na wo ho na say why we say office work kwa na baba ye adwuma 24-hour economy initiative no ni nyina ba akoye ti say agriculture base whereby say factories ni ahodo we besisi farms ahodo we besisi enti we university ni ade na free say that is the only option so ye adwuma white collar job na pa so has na wo sake o mind because this time round no adwuma ni nyina ba akogina nguram production bekoso factory bekoso farming activities bekoso